when we attended one of the conferences, Teleperformance, the largest business processing company in the world, agreed to set up shop in Kenya. And today, they have their offices here at Two Rivers, and we are now working with them on how we can expand opportunities for young people, especially in that digital jobs space. I went to Ruiru last year to open the space for CCI, a company that is hiring 5,000 young people in one building on digital jobs, working for American companies from right here in Ruiru. That is the space we need to expand. And we have to skill our young people in Kenya for them to be ready to work in the digital jobs space. We did provide resources as Government of Kenya and hired trainers in all our TVETs so that young people can be given training, which doesn't take very long, sometimes 3 months, sometimes 6 months, and they are ready to take up positions on the digital jobs market. We have also scaled up overseas employment with more than 580,000 young people now working abroad. We strengthened the Youth Enterprise Fund and the Hustler Fund, and through access to government procurement opportunities, we opened public procurement to young entrepreneurs. Today, we take another decisive step. Next Gen is a landmark partnership between the Government of Kenya, the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, and other partners. And it will accelerate inclusive youth economic transformation by connecting young people with meaningful work experience and practical skills. And I'm very happy to see you guys here this morning. You represent as a small part of the first 500 of you. And I will tell you how we are going to scale this up so that we can get to 100,000 young people like yourself accessing practical skills and job market experience as we go into the future. This program